Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here and welcome back to $1 Billion iTech, the place where future tech lovers come to get inspired. I'm sorry for the noise for today's video since we are shooting outside. In today's video, we'll be testing the Mavic Air Quickshots. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned and let's get started. It's finally a time to access the Quickshots. First of all, within the DJI Go for app, tap on Intelligent Flight icon on the left side of the screen. Then select Quickshots. First quick shot that we will cover is Dronie. Tap on Dronie icon again. We'll give you an option to choose the distance up to 200 meters. To initiate the quick shot, all we need to do is tap on the screen. Countdown will begin.
3, 2, 1.
The subject that will be tracked during these quick shots will be marked by a small green circle, which flies the Mavic backwards and upwards simultaneously while keeping that camera locked on the subject that you have selected. The best part is once the quick shot is finished, Mavic will return to you. After Dronie is circle, which flies a standard circle around your object. You can choose whether it rotates clockwise or anti-clockwise.
3, 2, 1.
You can also change how big is the circle by adjusting its distance from your object. Before you begin that quick shot, just be careful from obstacles around you. Once the circle is finished, it will return to you. With Helix, Mavic will fly spiraling circle backwards and upwards, so the height and distance will increase simultaneously. Tapping on Helix icon second time will let you change the distance up to 150 meters. You can choose between clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. One thing you need to make sure is that you have enough space, because how big that radius of the circle is, especially when you increase the distance 150 meters, it will make its way back to you once it's finished. Rocket shot, which flies straight upwards, camera pointing at straight down. You can select the height up to 150 meters, which is equivalent to around 400 feet.
3, 2, 1.
With the drone beginning in front of your object, it will slowly move upwards and over what is tracking. Progress can be monitored on the right side. Next one is Boomerang, which is my favorite shot. It's one of the 2 new quick shots that has been added to Mavic Air. It will move around your subject, but with the twist with clockwise
3,
and counterclockwise
2,
rotation.
1.
Once it gets behind the subject, it will slow down. It increases altitude and slightly tilted its gimbal downwards to reveal what is in front of your subject. It will lower its altitude, increase the speed, and comes in front of your subject once it's finished. Finally, we have got Asteroid. It's by far the coolest quick shot.
3,
It
2,
is my most favorite
1.
shot. Once you tap on the screen, it will fly backwards and upwards pretty slowly. Once it gets to its altitude, it will begin to spin around and take 360-degree panoramic shots. It begins to stitch those images together to make a really high-quality picture. If you watch the export clip back, it begins by moving away from your subject and form 360 panoramic picture. So guys, that wraps up the video all quick shots of Mavic Air. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let us know which one was your favorite shot in the comment section below. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.